Coachella with the perfect outfit on. Now I just gotta find Beyonce and get a selfie. It's gonna drive Anna crazy! I am going to make a Beyonce-inspired doll using her look from Coachella. You know the one where she's wearing that yellow sweatshirt, the jean shorts, and those fabulous furry boots? To make our Beyonce-inspired doll, I am using Jacqueline from Fresh Dolls. This doll has always reminded me of Beyonce, so yeah, we're gonna use her. I find these dolls at Target and Walmart. She has nice articulation, and she's curvy, so perfect. To make the sweatshirt, I modified our t-shirt pattern by adding longer sleeves, and I made it a little wider. Then I made a pattern for the hood. I will make this pattern available on our blog, myfroggystuff.blogspot.com. I picked up a yellow t-shirt from the craft store, placed the pattern on the shirt, and trace around it. Alright, that looks good. At the bottom of the shirt, I line up the hem. I take the pattern for the hood and place it right on the edge and the top at the fold. Trace around it. This way we can take advantage of the finished hem and reduce a little bit of our sewing. Carefully cut them out. Cut the collar off of the shirt. Take the pattern for the sweatshirt. Lay down the fabric for the sweatshirt with the good side facing up. On the sleeve, take the collar and stretch it and match it up with the raw edge of the sleeve. Use a needle and thread to sew a straight stitch. Trim off the excess to make a cuff for the sleeve. Repeat on the other sleeve. Take the hood, flip it inside out. So here is the top fold and this is the opening and hem. On the curve opposite of the opening, sew a straight stitch, stopping just before the end of the curve. Flip it right side out. Take the sweatshirt, fold it in half to make a crease to find the center of the collar. Open it up, take the hood, match up the bottom of the front hem with the center of the neckline. Use a needle and thread to sew the hood around the neckline. First one side, then the other. Fold the sweatshirt in half so the good side is on the inside, lining up the raw edges along the sleeve and side of the sweatshirt. You can start to see the sweatshirt take shape. Sew from the cuffs, along the arm, then down the side, using a straight stitch. Turn it right side out, lay it flat, take more of the cut collar, line up the raw edges with the bottom of the sweatshirt, sew a straight line while pulling the collar to make the hem. Turn it over to the back, fold over, and sew a hem going up the back, around the hood, then down the other side, giving a clean finished edge to the back of the sweatshirt. Cut a strip of Velcro, pull it apart, sew onto the back of the sweatshirt so they overlap to close. I had planned on having some drawstrings coming out of the front, but I'm not liking this edge. So I'm just going to sew it down so it looks neat. That looks better. But I still want that drawstring. So I take some embroidery floss, thread a large embroidery needle, then carefully push it through the hem on the sweatshirt and exit on the other side. Tie and knot the ends to make a hoodie with a working drawstring. Place a piece of cardboard inside the sweatshirt, sketch the design on the front, paint it with fabric paint, add glitter to the paint, then allow it to dry. While waiting, I take a pair of Fresh Doll shorts, cut off the hem, reinforce the stitching on the sides, use a nail file to distress the denim to make her jean shorts. Take a piece of felt, cut a rectangle that can wrap around the doll's leg. Find a pair of white doll shoes. These are from Walmart's Funville Sparkle Girls. Overlap the felt and sew it over the shoe going up the leg. To make a leg warmer, I found some sparkly trim at the craft store. Place the cuff on a marker and glue the trim to the felt. After going all the way around, cut a sparkly trim and glue it around the top. Place it on the doll's leg, Then put on the shoe. Now everything is done. It's time to get dressed. Right this way to your dressing room. Wait, was that Beyonce? I need a selfie! Sorry, ma'am. This area is for talent only. I'm talented and selfies!
Introducing our newest inspired doll, Beyonce!
She is rocking that sweatshirt hoodie with all of that fabulous glitter, loving the distressed shorts, and the boots totally finish the look. Thank you for joining us while we made this Beyonce-inspired doll. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram at My Froggy Stuff and the Frog Vlog. And you're done. Happy crafting!
But I shouldn't be a honey. It's just me, I'm still on it. 'Cause you all wanna be loved. Yeah, you all wanna be loved. But I shouldn't be a honey. Yeah. All I wanna do is just stay. You don't understand how I play. I am on my way to win you over. No way, yeah. Oh, you can hear my voice.
We want to give a shout out to Sophie Wolfie Turok. What's up? I need to find a way to get on stage to get that selfie. I'm just gonna climb up on stage and go for it. Beyonce! Beyonce! Excuse me? Can I get a selfie with you? I'm kind of in the middle of a concert. It'll only take a minute. Besides, it's gonna drive my cousin Anna crazy! Okay. Oh no! I must have dropped my cell phone climbing onto the stage! This outfit, fabulous, I know, but it doesn't have pockets. Hold on. I'll be right back.
I know you won't let me down.